strategy, and quick reflexes. Let's begin with the mechanics, rules, and guidelines to ensure everyone enjoys the game safely and fairly.
Mechanics. Set up. A circle is drawn using chalk to represent the cage with sleepers placed inside. Boundaries of the playing area are marked using cones or chalk. One player is designated as the bird whose role is to guard the sleepers.
Objective. All players take turns trying to grab the sleeper under the cage and place them outside the boundary without being tagged by the bird.
Gameplay. The game begins with a whistle. Players attempt to grab sleepers from under the cage and place them outside the boundary. If all sleepers are successfully removed from the cage without the bird tagging anyone, the bird is punished by crawling under the player who removed the last sleeper. The game continues with players and the bird taking turns as rule rotate.
Rules. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Stay within the designated playing boundaries. Take turns grabbing the sleepers. Be quick and strategic to avoid being tagged. Actively guard the sleepers if you're the bird. Don'ts. No pushing, shoving, or physical contact beyond tagging. Don't step outside the boundaries during your turn. And lastly, don't attempt to grab multiple sleepers at once.
Violations. Number 1. Physical contact violation. Any aggressive contact results in starting the violator's turn. Number 2. Boundary violation. Stepping outside the marked playing area disqualifies the player for that round. Number 3. Bird inactivity punishment. If the bird fails to guard and all sleepers are removed, the bird must crawl under the player to remove the last sleeper. With this rule set, we're ready to demonstrate how the bird's cage is played. Let's